Boom, 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 boom. We're back again, man. Look at my guy Shatta, bro. My guy performed under the rain. Oh my goodness, Shatta Wale, bro. Bro, he performed under the rain. It's not a lot of artists that would do that. It's not a lot of artists that will go under the rain for what? They will cancel that concert. They will cancel it. Yeah, told me that he had a concert and it was kind of like outside and it started raining, but he didn't quit. He kept going. Bro, we're going to check this out. That's why I be telling you, oh, Shatta Wale is the greatest. Yeah, no, Shatta Wale, Shatta Wale. Let's check it out. And yeah, tell me an artist that will perform under the rain. That's that dance. I thought in the last video that he fell down, but y'all told me that's how the dance is. You gotta act like you fall down, but you keep going, bro. I don't know how that dance is called, but y'all let me know in the comment section what they call that dance. Y'all gotta let me know in the comment section what they call that dance. Cause he keeps doing that dance and falling. I thought last time that he fell down, but he acted like he did not. But that's just the dance, man. Shout out to Ghana TV for the video, man. Hey. Bro, look at the fans. It's ready. I don't even care, bro. Hey. Bro, look at how rain is coming, but the fans, they're just happy. They just want to dance under, bro. So Shatta Wale have a very loyal fan base. That's one thing that I love to about his fans. He's loyal to his fans, and his fan base, they're so loyal when it comes to him too, man. That's very nice. I love that. Like, loyalty is everything. Rain is coming. Look at that. Bro, it's raining. Shatta Wale say under the rain or under the sun we performing. We ain't gonna stop. We gonna perform. Rain or no rain or sun. What? We are here, man. That's how you know you love your career. That's how you know you have passion for your career. You're not just doing it for money.
Okay, make everyone come. Everyone come, man.
Bro, is it ready to go in the same section?
You can't tell me nothing.
The securities are walking, man. Look at that.
Let go. Why should I always apologize for the monster I become? No one ever apologized for making me this way.
No one.
Go ahead and do it. Go and talk about me.
Hey.
Go and spread the rumors. I don't think everybody say, I'm always prove you wrong. I will continue to do
Oh,
it
man.
without you.
Hey!
I will pay my dues to the streets and go to.
Show it to
You gave me more than you could ever take from me.
Hey!
So thank you. You make me strong. All the critics, you broke this wall. Let go. Why should I always apologize for the ones I've become? Come on, no one ever apologize for making me this way.
Shatta said, y'all never apologize for making him who he is, for making him that way. Y'all to make him cold. That's how it is. When people don't hurt you so much, make you that you don't trust them, you don't want to take what they say no more. But ain't nobody gonna come there to apologize for making you like that. They're gonna be looking at you like you were wrong. You were wrong. You were wrong.
Let's not forget about the past and give God praise. I know my name will be mentioned in the book of days.
Hey!
Everybody, oh, Shatta, my name.
Hey! Bro, where is this? Is it like a stadium? A stadium?
Sometimes
Oh, it's a gas station.
people say, I'll be different. I say, no,
People using their phones under the rent. They don't care. They're risking everything for Shatta Wale, bro. They're risking everything for Shatta.
You say you love me, but you don't have to be so come and prove. And you don't like what I want about.
Look at Shatta Wale, Mike. Got diamonds on it.
I make this money in a podcast. Don't take my podcast. This time I don't know some pass.
This nigga have a customized mic under the ring with diamonds on it. Shatta, tell me that microphone is real. You got a customized microphone with diamonds on it under the ring, my nigga. Shit. I've been rapper. Oh, quiet, oh my God. Who is that? Is that the Ghana TV guy? But y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all let me know how y'all think. Shatta Wale, I think he's a superstar, man. I just think he's a great guy. He's very humble when it comes to all this. Because a lot of artists will not perform under the rain like that. A lot of them will not. They will postpone that concert or they will cancel it. So y'all know what time it is on today, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel. Thank y'all all for supporting the channel. Y'all take good care of yourself, man.